Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for anyone looking to maximize their space: smart secret storages and space-saving furniture innovations. Whether you're living in a cozy apartment or just want to make the most of your home, these clever designs will help you keep things organized without sacrificing style. From hidden compartments to multifunctional furniture, we've got some exciting ideas for you. Let's get started. 1. Multifunctional furniture, the game changer for small spaces. First up, multifunctional furniture. This is a must for anyone looking to save space. One of the coolest innovations we've seen is the transforming coffee table that lifts up to become a work desk. It's perfect for small spaces where every piece of furniture needs to serve more than one purpose. These pieces not only save space but also add functionality to your home in a sleek, stylish way. 2. Hidden storage solutions in furniture. Next, let's talk about hidden storage. Smart storage solutions are all about making the most of your furniture without cluttering your space. Beds with built-in drawers underneath or headboards with hidden compartments are great examples. Another clever idea is using staircases for storage. Many designs now incorporate pull-out drawers or shelves under the steps. Furniture like this allows you to keep your home looking neat while tucking away items like extra bedding, shoes, or books. It's all about using every inch of space efficiently. 3. Wall-mounted and foldable furniture for flexibility. For those really tight on space, wall-mounted and foldable furniture is a game changer. Foldable desks, chairs, and even beds can be folded away when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space. There are also innovative shelving systems that fold down into tables or workstations. These designs give you flexibility, letting you transform a room depending on what you need at any given time, whether it's a workspace during the day or a living room at night. 4. Hidden compartments and secret storages. We're talking about hidden compartments in unexpected places like under your couch cushions or even behind wall panels. Some coffee tables and end tables come with hidden drawers that are perfect for stashing remote controls, magazines, or even valuables. These solutions are perfect for anyone who loves a clean, minimalist look but still needs places to store their belongings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more home design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.